सोही अवसरमा टेक्सस सिनेटर हडसनका प्रतिनिधिले सिनेटरको शुभकामना पढेर सुनाउनु भएको थियो।
It is an honor for me to represent so many of the Nepali community here in Texas and in the United States Senate. You have become a part of our country and community and have made significant contributions in business, academia, healthcare, and a positive impact on the cultural tapestry of the United States. And I welcome the opportunity to share my message of congratulations on this historic milestone. With best wishes, sincerely, Kay Bailey Hutchison, United States Senate.
कार्यक्रमका प्रमुख अतिथि अमेरिकाका लागि नेपाली महामहिम राजदूत डाक्टर शङ्कर प्रसाद शर्माले एनआरएन नेपाल र अरू देशको साँगो मात्र नभई सिप र क्षमता आयात गर्ने माध्यम समेत भएको बताउनु भएको थियो।
If we cannot enhance the credibility and image of Nepal, probably our image in the states, our image outside Nepal, I think we also probably will be in difficulty. It will be in risk. If we can increase the credibility and enhance the prosperity of Nepal, as Dr. Mahato was saying before, then I think the credibility of Nepal, Nepalese staying outside Nepal, and people of Nepalese origin, I think they will have a tremendous benefit, no doubt about that. NRN, Mr. Gyan Chandra Acharya was mentioning before about the economic contribution of NRN. I think the contribution in terms of the remittances of the Nepalese community to Nepal today stands around 21% of GDP, which is very high, and probably without that money going to Nepal from NRNA, our currency should probably have been devaluated by several fold today. And it has not only helped in the macroeconomic terms, as he was mentioning before, but also in reducing the poverty. And if you see the money, where the money is going from the remittance income, and we have seen tremendous amount of money, a chunk of this money going to the education and health sector in Nepal. I think this is something that is being done today. The identity of Nepal, I think I totally agree with Dr. Mahato, saying that if we need to enhance the credibility and identity and prosperity of Nepal, we have to work on it, and that is strongly tied up with the identity, credibility and image of the Nepalese staying outside Nepal.
कार्यक्रमका सभापति एनआरएनएका अध्यक्ष देवमान हिराचनले एनआरएनएका संरक्षक उपेन्द्र महतोले नेपाल सरकारबाट सुप्रबल जनसेवा पदक पाउनु भएकोमा बधाई दिँदै देशले के गर्यो हैन, हामीले देशलाई के गर्यौं भन्ने सोच्नु पर्ने बताउनुभयो।
यो सम्मेलनले विदेशमा रहने नेपालीहरूको विशेष गरी पश्चिमी गोलार्धमा रहेका नेपालीहरूबाट गरेको अपेक्षाको केही हदसम्म भए पनि परिपूर्ति गर्ने दिशातर्फ हामी सबैलाई उन्मुख गराउने छ भन्ने आशा र विश्वास मैले लिएको छु। यो सम्मेलनले नेपालीहरूको विश्वव्यापीकरणको प्रक्रियालाई पनि प्रतिबिम्बित गर्दछ। हाम्रो साझा संस्थालाई सबैले मिलेर बलियो बनाउनु पर्ने कुरामा दुई मत हुन सक्दैन। मेरै सबै साथीहरूलाई आफ्नो मतान्तर विशेषमा एक लक्ष्य चाहिँ साझा उद्देश्य प्राप्तिको लागि आग्रह गर्दछु। अन्तिममा म तपाईलाई एउटै कुरा भन्न चाहन्छु, तिमी हामी नभनौ, तिमी म नभनौ, हामी भनौ। देशले के गर्दिला होइन कि देशको लागि हामी के गरौँ भन्दै मेरो यो सानो वक्तव्य
उद्घाटन समारोहको अन्त्यमा आयोजकका तर्फबाट अञ्जन श्रेष्ठले उक्त कार्यक्रममा सहभागी अतिथिहरू, डेलिगेट्सहरू, पत्रकारहरू लगायत त्यहाँ उपस्थित सबैलाई धन्यवाद दिँदै स्वयंसेवकहरूमा आभार व्यक्त गर्नुभएको थियो।
This program was not possible without wonderful cooperation from Nepali community in Houston and Nepalese Association of Houston in the leadership of Dr. Rajendra Shrestha. Our sincere thanks goes to all of the volunteers and Nepali Society of Dallas and Austin as well for hosting this wonderful program. I would like to extend my sincere thanks to our media coordinator, Mr. Ram Karel, and all media from Nepal, US, Canada, and UK for providing a wide coverage, including this live telecasting by US Nepal Online, Mr. Pradip Thapa, Sagarmatha TV, and NepalHorizon.com, again, Mr. Ram Karel. One of the best souvenirs I've seen have been published on this occasion with a series of great articles. This is definitely worth taking home. Many hard works were put for it by Mr. Naveen Vaidya and his team. The whole event could not have been possible without a dynamic leader, Mr. Ratan Jha, General Secretary of NRN ICC. He deserves more than these words. Thanks to NRN NCC of USA, especially Mr. Suman Timsena, for his tireless effort. I would like to thank NRN NCC of Canada, Regional Coordinator Dr. Ambika Adhikari, Deputy Coordinator Dr. Drona Roshali, and the country representative. Finally, all of you deserve a round of applause for coming here, attending the event, and taking a message to your local community to promote NRN Association. Let it be very clear, Nepal by Nepalese is our slogan, and let's make it to work. Ladies and gentlemen, please enjoy our Texan hospitality.
यसरी उद्घाटन समारोहको समापन भएको थियो।
यो थियो गैर आवासीय नेपालीहरूको संगठन एनआरएनएको चौथो क्षेत्रीय सम्मेलनको एक रिपोर्ट। यस सम्मेलनका अन्य भागहरू हामी आगामी कार्यक्रमहरूमा प्रसारण गर्दै जानेछौँ।